85%, that's 500 gigabytes left. 3 days until my storage is full? What? I need more hard drives, I need more space to put all that 4K footage. Recently, I've been filming way more often than before, more regularly. And because of this here new camera, which is a Sony a6600, I can now film 4K. And well, the video files are way heavier than regular Full HD. My current storage solution is not big enough to just carry on like this. I bought this new NAS, a Synology again. So I'm just gonna set it up with the new hard drives that I bought and start storing stuff on it. This one has 5 bays, so you can put 5 hard drives in. I've got the hard drives over here. I've only got 3 for now because it's so expensive. I didn't want to buy 5 right away. Also, if I order 5 at the same time, there's a chance that the drives are all from the same batch, and if there's an issue with that batch, they're all gonna have it and fail maybe at the same time. Just got 3 for now, and then I'll get 2 more later. Yeah, it's a bit boring, I know. It's just storage and data and stuff, but that's actually stuff that I have to deal with as someone who creates digital stuff. This is going to be the thumbnail. Look at that! Oh, so good! And this is not sponsored, this is not a review or whatever, this is just what I'm up to, so I'm just sharing my process, and my process includes storing stuff. Right now I have this one already, it's 2 bay, so I have 2 hard drives inside this. See, disk 1 and disk 2, it's off at the moment because I'm not using it, so it just goes to sleep. I've had that for, I don't know, 7, 8 years maybe. This is a DS1520, so it was probably made in 2013 and it's 2021. So I'm not saying it's going to die of old age, but 7, 8 years is quite old for technology these days. So I don't know, maybe Synology is fine and you can use it for 100 years, but until I find out, I'm just gonna have another one just in case. I'm red again. Is this white balance? The light is changing so much. My workflow when it comes to shooting video and stuff like that, I shoot everything on SD card. Once that's finished, I'm just gonna transfer everything on a tiny portable SSD. The hard drive in my PC, which is also an SSD, is not big enough, and I didn't want to upgrade it, and what if it dies anyway, so I'm just gonna edit on this. The performance is good enough, I guess. And then I back up on a bigger drive. It's still a tiny, this is too zoomed in, right? Then I do one backup on a spinning drive. This is an HDD, this is not an SSD. And this is kind of like a cold backup. So this is in case I travel or in case my NAS dies for some reason. Am I a weird person? I like the consistency. Look, this is the drive's name, this is the format, and this is the purpose. Look, they match and everything. It's so satisfying, right? I just know right away what the drive is. This is nice. This is leave me alone, okay? Just let me do my thing. So this is for editing. This is fast. This is short-lived. This is a cold backup. This is slower and should probably remain in the box. And then I make a third copy on my NAS, which is basically a big hard drive that's accessible from the network. Whenever I need a file, I just connect to it and download it, and that's it. This alone is not enough to keep my files secure, because in case it fails and dies, I lose everything, right? That's why I need external drives, just in case. Just gonna stop right here for like a minute. You don't need any screws to put these drives in. This is nice. This feels good. It's just gonna take me 30 seconds. Come on. Go faster. It's installing now. So there you go, my NAS is all set up now. I'm just tearing up some cardboard. I think since the beginning of the pandemic, people started, a year ago, started just ordering more stuff from the internet. If you're not allowed to go outside really, more deliveries, which means more packages, which means more cardboard. And I'm guilty of this myself, It's usually bad enough, but lately I've noticed that in my building things got out of hand and they had to add an extra container because people just like leave the boxes like this, like they just chuck this in the bin. Well, at some point the bin is going to be full. I figured, if I cut everything into small bits, I can put more in the bin. Even if we put boxes next to the bins, the council is not necessarily gonna collect that. If anything, they might give us a fine. If I destroy this and cut this into small bits, at least I can put more in the bin. Council is gonna collect it, and everyone's happy. Of course, it's going to take me a few minutes, maybe half an hour, because quite a few things recently. Have you seen the shelf behind it? It looks good. I made a video about this. Check it out. Now, there's not much to it. With lockdown, it was bound to happen. People are just ordering more stuff online. Thankfully, we can recycle cardboard. I don't know, it's a very soothing activity. I like it. There's nothing to think about, just complete destruction. Maybe I should buy like a big knife or something, because this is not great. So that's another vlog. If you have any questions about storage and how I organize things, let me know in the comments. That's definitely overkill, by the way. Not everyone is gonna need that kind of stuff. It's just, I can afford it. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Time I don't spend creating or eating. Okay. See you next time.